Hello from Fermat and welcome back. Today I would like to introduce you one of our stock machines. It's the horizontal boring mill WH10 CNC produced by TOS Vansdorf. The machine was manufactured in 1991. In 2011 it went through the complete overhaul and it has been equipped with the new system Heidenhain 530. The machine is also possible to control via included hand wheel. The spindle with the taper ISO 50 has 100 mm diameter and it allows you to reach maximum 3000 RPM. The reach of the spindle is 630 mm out of the headstock. The limits for the other axes are 1250 mm for X travel, 1120 mm for Y travel and 1000 mm for Z travel. The size of the table is 1120 to 1000 mm. At this machine, I would really like to point out the external cooling system of the tools, which can secure perfect cooling even during the most challenging conditions. This machine has not been used very often, which is documented in the system. In 9 years since the overhaul, it has recorded 9600 hours of running in the program. If you would like to see this machine in a flash, do not hesitate to contact us.